So you're thinking about moving to Jacksonville, Florida, and you're really interested in living in eTown, the master plan community. Well, today you're in luck. I am in the Kettering community by David Weekley Homes. I'm going to show you a beautiful paired villa model home. We're going to do a walkthrough on that one and show you some different options that are available for you, as well as quick move-ins. You're going to want to stick around to the end because we're getting after it right now. So here within the Kettering community by David Weekley Homes, this townhome community, you're going to have three different options that you can choose from. They're going to have the garden series, which are going to be 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom townhomes with a single car garage, rear entry garage. Those are on the other side of the fountain over here. You're going to have the Tradition series, which is across the pond here, which has 3 buildings and 4 buildings all attached to one another. And then you're going to have the paired villas, which of course is a pair, being 2 buildings, attached to one another. I'm going to take you on a walk through this Roseman right here. I did want to say that the prices in here start in the 300,000s and go up to the upper 400,000s at the peak. They do have quick move-ins available. They do have preserve lots available for some of these homes. They're very similar to living in a house, I'll have to say. I've been in them, they're really amazing. If you were to buy a house in this community, a single family home, you're going to pay probably 100,000 to 200,000 more than the price of one of these. This is the Roseman model. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom with a 2-car garage, and it's going to be around 2,400 square feet. Let's do a walkthrough on it right now. I wanted to add real quick that your lawn maintenance, your front yard maintenance, backyard maintenance is included in your HOA, so you don't have any of that to worry about. Let's get started on the tour. Beautiful windows with lots of natural light, and you got a beautiful door with lots of natural light coming through there. Large open floor plan. Again, lots of windows. Looking back on your large open floor plan again. White shaker cabinets, very nice island. There's your stop and drop area. 2-car garage. This is a natural gas community, so you have a tankless hot water heater and a gas burner stove. Fully vented range hood. Nice chef's ovens there. Beautiful accent wall. Nice sitting area here. Wonderful place to have a study area. There's your back patio again. Let's take a look upstairs. We have another bedroom. Bathroom. Laundry room. Nice loft area here. There was a half bathroom downstairs, folks. Sorry about that, missed that. You'll have to imagine what a half bathroom looks like. sure you know by now. Water closet, walk-in shower, double vanities. Here's the balcony off of the owner's suite, looking out into your preserved lot. Now I'm going to take you on a walkthrough of this beautiful quick move-in Trunion plan. Now this has a 2-car garage option or a 3-car garage option. I'm going to show you the quick move-in with the 2-car garage option first. It has 2 bedrooms downstairs, and the master and the kitchen are upstairs. So it's a really cool floor plan. This runs around 2,200 square feet. I'm gonna take you on a walkthrough on it right now. If this is your first time on this channel and you wanna know everything about eating, sleeping, working, playing in the Jacksonville, Florida area and the surrounding suburbs, please like, subscribe, and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to learn about the current real estate market here in Jacksonville, Florida. My name's Jay Wike. I'm a local real estate agent, and I get calls, texts, and emails all the time from people just like you that are looking for help moving to this area, and I absolutely love it. So whether you're moving in a shorter period of time or a longer period of time, or even if you might have a home to sell, reach out to me. I'm happy to help you make a smooth move to Jacksonville. All right, we are in the Trunion quick move-in. Looking back on the entryway, lots of wonderful can lights in here to light your way. Of course, you have the 1, 2, 3-car garage option on this one. A nice stop and drop area here. Under the stairs storage. 2 bedrooms downstairs. This one opens out onto the patio. There's your closet. The second bedroom is enormous. I'm just thinking if you were trying to do maybe a multi-generational option, this might be a good option possibly for that. Very large bedroom here on the ground floor and near the garage. Going up the stairway. Beautiful top deck that overlooks a preserved lot. Very large open floor plan. Look at all the natural light streaming into this room. Beautiful kitchen, subway tile backsplash, 6-burner gas range, 5-burner gas range, vented hood, beautiful island, half bath, laundry room. Here's the owner's suite. Got a tray ceiling here. Owner's walk-in closet. Tons of light streaming in here. Double vanities, soaking tub, and they're finishing the installation of the frameless glass shower. Okay, now I'm going to show you a Trunion with a 2-car garage option. And look at the difference that you'll see. We're not going to walk all the way through this one because the second floor is the same as the one I just showed you, but I want you to see this first floor, the difference. So you walk in the garage. Again, just a 2-car garage. But look at this sitting room that you have on the first floor. Multi-purpose room, flex room, whatever you want to call it. There's your stop and drop. Bathroom on the first and 2 bedrooms. I hope you enjoyed today's tour of the beautiful David Weekley townhome community here in Kettering within the master plan community of eTown. If you have any questions about anything that you saw, feel free to reach out to me directly. My contact information is in the description as well as the comments below. If you did like what you saw and you would like to consider subscribing, please feel free to do so and hit that subscribe button and join the Living in Jacksonville, Florida tribe. And until next time, I hope to see you around JAX.